We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.